my colleague Ruchika Mehta, editor-at-large, Luxury and Lifestyle Division, ITG editor, brides today as well. Hi, Ruchika. Ruchika, we've just got the statement by Kareena Kapoor where she's, of course, understandably in shock, stating that we are still processing what exactly happened, give us space, give us time to heal. And that's very understandable because, everyone is a little flabbergasted, Ruchika, on what really went down. You're close to the family, you've been speaking with them. What's the sense? What really happened?
I think what an awful day it has been. I mean, starting from last night, this shouldn't happen to even your worst enemy, whatever happened. And I think all our thoughts and prayers go to Kareena and the family, especially with the two little boys. It's absolutely awful what we saw and heard. I mean, it's even more flabbergasting that how did somebody reach there? Was it intentional? The fact that somebody landed in the kids' room, it's not even, it doesn't sound so normal. Doesn't sound like a normal burglary also. You land in the kids' room. What are you going to find in the kids' room? If you're here for some burglary, you would land probably in the living room where the stuff is lying. Kareena is absolutely shell-shocked and very understandably so. So is the family. Fortunately for her, she has her entire family with her who's very close to her. Her sister, Karishma, the entire Kapoors, her cousins, her aunts, uncles, Neetu, Reema, everybody's around with her. They're all there holding her hand. She's absolutely devastated on the fact that the kids, it could have been the kids, and how did somebody get access to the house? That is again something that the entire Bollywood is questioning, that how did somebody get access inside the house? Every celebrity's house is even more secure than normal homes. Besides they live in a very plush area, Bandra, where they live. There are many other stars and celebrities live there. It's a very high secure building. Besides that, every star and celebrity has additional and extra security for their own self. Now, the fact that somebody has kind of infiltrated all of that, landed in the middle of the house, in the middle of the night, and stabbed. I mean, this was absolutely shocking. She's still traumatized. She's very traumatized, and I think she's very fair to ask for privacy. She needs to recover. The kids, fortunately, are with the family. They've all been taken to the relatives' house. They're in Karishma's place. They're safe there. They're looking after them. And it all happened in front of the kids' eyes. So that'll take a lot of time for Kareena.
That's deeply traumatic, Ruchika. All of this unfolded in front of the children's eyes.
Out of it.
Ruchika, I want to ask you, and one has to understand and respect the privacy that the family demands. I want to ask you, Ruchika, how is Saif Ali Khan right now? Because we've gotten a word where the doctors were concerned that he's going to make 100% recovery, but the injuries, could be severe because he had a 2.5-inch knife-like blade which was lodged right next to his spine, is what the doctors are saying. Can you give us a sense? He's in the ICU, only recuperating right now, but what are the sense of his injuries?
I think they were deep gashes. You can't deny that. He was taken profusely bleeding when he reached the hospital. He was profusely bleeding. The gashes are deep. Thankfully, there hasn't been any fatal injury in the sense that the spine, it was just a few centimeters away from the spine, maybe just a centimeter. The doctors say, and so does everybody else around, say that he should come out of it. It is going to be a long process. It is not going to be very soon. It's not going to be very easy. It is going to be a long process, but he's out of danger for sure. It's only going to be recovery. Like I said, the wounds and the cuts and the gashes are very deep. So the way he must have been stabbed, it is like 6 stabs is not easy. Fortunately for everybody, Saif is a strong man, he's a big man. So, maybe that's the other reason that he thankfully survived those deep gashes. So, just let's hope and pray he comes out of it sooner, but it isn't going to be very soon. It will take a lot of time. The recovery is going to be longer, and it is a long process. That's all I can say for now.
Ruchika, before I let you go, we wish the family and we hope that they find the strength to actually recuperate from this trying moment. Fortunately, he's making 100% recovery. Ruchika, last night I believe it was Saif's son who came in and took him to the hospital in an auto.
Yes, they say the driver wasn't available, which is another baffling story because most drivers for celebrities stay in house, right? All their stuff is in with them in their quarters or wherever. Staff is normally always available. It's strange to see that a house where probably they must be having 4 or 5 drivers, if not more, 2 for the kids, 2 for themselves, 1 for the house, you don't have a single staff there. And Bebo, that is what everybody calls Karina, is very close to both Sarah and Ibrahim. So that's the first call she made, and he came dashing to Saif's house. Now, where was the driver and why was the driver not there? Strange, because it can't be out of all the 3-4 drivers that they have, where one of them is normally supposed to be on a night.
Could the answer, Ruchika, because you know Saif very well, could the answer lie in the fact that Saif is unlike a regular celebrity, likes to live more like a common man?
No, but that really doesn't take away the fact that you can need a driver at any point of time at night. It's nothing just to do with being celebrities. It's also a requirement because as stars, both the parents are traveling most of the time. So the kids are at home. So it is really nothing to do with just being a celeb. It is just normal that you would have in your circumstances. They do have a lot of late nights. They do do a lot of late night shifts. So the drivers are meant to be around. Any household with their kind of lifestyle will have drivers staying in house.